For many Little Rock homeowners, choosing new windows isn't just about improving curb appeal. It's also about finding solutions that fit effortlessly into busy lifestyles. With Arkansas's warm summers, occasional winter chills, and year-round humidity, homeowners need windows that look great, function smoothly, and require minimal upkeep. That's why slider windows have become a top choice in neighborhoods throughout Little Rock. Sliding windows offer a winning combination of durability, easy operation, and low maintenance, making them an ideal option for anyone looking to simplify window care without sacrificing performance. Here's why so many Little Rock residents love slider windows. Fewer moving parts mean less maintenance. Unlike traditional windows that open outward or upward, slider windows glide horizontally along tracks. This simple, streamlined design means they have fewer mechanical components, reducing the chance of parts wearing out or breaking over time. With slider windows, you won't have to worry about crank mechanisms failing, springs or pulleys malfunctioning, hinges rusting or becoming stiff, complex hardware needing replacement. Their minimal moving parts translate into fewer repairs and longer-lasting performance, making them a hassle-free choice for Little Rock homes. Easy cleaning inside and out. Keeping windows clean is an essential part of home maintenance, but for many homeowners, it can feel like a chore. Slider windows make the process easier and faster. Why sliders are easy to clean? The sashes lift or tilt out for effortless cleaning. Large glass panes reduce the number of corners and edges. Horizontal movement creates easy access to the exterior surface. For homeowners in Little Rock who battle pollen, dust, and seasonal humidity, sliders offer a convenient way to keep windows sparkling without professional help or risky ladder use. Excellent durability in Little Rock's climate. Little Rock's climate can shift from humid summers to damp springs and colder winters. Slider windows hold up extremely well because they are often built using vinyl or fiberglass frames, which resist warping, swelling, and cracking. These materials offer high resistance to moisture, UV protection from the Arkansas sun, long-term structural stability, minimal risk of rot, rust, or corrosion. This durability ensures slider windows continue to operate smoothly and look new for years, even in fluctuating weather conditions. Smooth, effortless operation for everyday use. Even high-quality windows can become difficult to operate as they age, especially in humid climates where components may expand or stick. Slider windows avoid this by operating on a simple gliding track system that remains smooth over time. Little Rock homeowners appreciate that slider windows, open with a gentle push, no heavy lifting required, provide excellent airflow, stay easy to use for all ages and abilities, offer wide, unobstructed openings. Their ease of operation makes them particularly popular in living rooms, bedrooms, and high-traffic areas. Low-maintenance materials reduce upkeep costs. Slider windows often use low-maintenance materials like vinyl and composite frames. These materials require little more than occasional cleaning, no painting, staining, or sealing required. Additional benefits include long-lasting color that doesn't fade, frames that resist insect damage, surfaces that clean easily with soap and water. In busy Little Rock households, low-maintenance windows offer valuable time savings and reduced long-term care costs. Great energy efficiency at an affordable price. While slider windows are known for their convenience, they also offer solid energy efficiency, especially when paired with modern features such as double pane or triple pane glass, low E coatings, argon gas insulation, weather stripping for a tight seal. These upgrades help keep your home cool during hot Little Rock summers and warm during chilly winter evenings, reducing your energy bill and boosting year-round comfort. A practical, stylish window choice for Little Rock homes. Slider windows offer the best of both worlds: attractive design and minimal upkeep. Their smooth operation, durable construction, and low-maintenance materials make them a favorite for Little Rock homeowners looking to improve their home without adding extra chores. If you're ready for windows that offer convenience, comfort, and long-lasting performance, sliders are a smart, stylish option that enhances everyday living with ease.